Hey, welcome to Todd Miller TV, your resource for what's current in the Las Vegas real estate market. Today is April 23rd, and I've got an update for March. This is sort of the April update. It's looking back on some numbers I want to share with you because what's going on in the real estate market is kind of interesting here in Las Vegas. As most of you are aware, the last couple of years we've seen what's called an REO market, meaning most of the houses for sale were bank owned, and then we had some short sales and then some other sellers. Well, today that's much different. We actually have 20% of the market are bank-owned homes, 40% are short sales, and then 40% are equity sales. So we've gone from 80% of REO properties down to 20%, a little misleading because we still have more sales that are REOs. That's just what's on the market. So 20% on the market are selling, all those homes are selling essentially. 40% of the market are short sales, about half to a third of those are selling, and then the rest are equity sellers. Equity sellers used to be REO properties. Properties bought the trustee sales, and those have been flipped. So that's kind of where the market stands, and that's important to know because what we're seeing is a shift. We're seeing a shift from bank-owned homes to short sales and investor-owned homes essentially. Some other interesting numbers if you're kind of looking at where the market is as far as price-wise. Year over year, there has been zero change in median price. Now, most people look at that and go, oh, it's a stable market. Well, that's not exactly true, and this is why. Some of you have tried to write offers on houses, $100,000, $150,000, and found out multiple offers above list price, so you probably think the market's crazy, it's increasing. However, there's some of you who maybe have a house listed for $1 million, $1.5 million, and that thing's sat on the market for 2 years. You've done price reductions, you've got nothing. Okay, the middle number there is $850,000, and what I mean by middle number is at $850,000, that's a 1-year supply of homes. If you go above that, if you go to $2 million, you've got a 2-year supply of homes. If you go to $150,000 and below, you've got a 60-day supply of homes, meaning home comes on the market, it's gone in 60 days. A healthy market is 6 months. 6 months, prices tend to stay the same or slightly increase. If you get less than that, they really go up. If you get more than that, they tend to go down. So what we see is we've got the higher end prices kind of dropping, we've got the bottom end prices kind of coming up, the market's kind of going like this, and so it depends on where you are in that marketplace as to whether prices are going up or going down. But year over year, there haven't been any changes in that middle number, that kind of median price range there. Another interesting statistic, 60% of all houses being purchased, they're not cash, they're not conventional, they're FHA. FHA is the #1 loan program out there. We're seeing on our properties, probably exclusively FHA offers tons of FHA. FHA by far more than any other type of financing. It's a great financing, and one of the things driving that is, one, the banks are starting to fix up the properties, and two, the investor flips are all repaired. They're in great condition, so you've got a house that's in pretty good condition. March, there were 3,175 total sales of single-family homes and condos in Las Vegas. That represents a 33% increase from February, so there were a third more houses sold in March than in February, and it's 6.5% increase from last year, which is good because a lot of people have said, a lot of agents have said, hey, there's no inventory, we can't find houses, but we have more sales than we had a year ago. So if we have more sales, that means we have more inventory, and we actually do have more inventory, it's just shifted. We have less REO inventory, we have more short sale inventory. So moving forward, what are we going to see? We're going to see more short sales going on the market. We're going to see more investor homes going on the market. Not going to see as many, but we're still going to have a lot of REO out there. So get used to writing offers on short sales. Get used to short sales are going to be a way of life here probably for the next couple years. Short sales are probably the new REO, and there's a lot of opportunity in the marketplace. It depends on whether you're buying, selling, investing, or renting. There's opportunity in it. Thanks for tuning in today, and I will see you on the next update. Thanks.